Hi, my name is Jennifer. I am the creator behind JJ's Maker Studio. I just wanted to give a quick tutorial today on how to access my template links from the template doc that you would be downloading. This is one for one of my free files, the Valentine's heart ornament. In order to use it, all you need to do is just click right on the template and it will open up the template into the Cuttle page. You really need to subscribe to Cuttle in order to use some of the more advanced features. They do have a free account, which is right here, that allows you to create 5 free projects, have 10 free downloads per month, and is for personal use only. For $19 a month, you can join Cuttle Pro and you get full access, including some of their pro fonts, which may make a big difference in your project. This is the project that this template is linked to. You are able to customize the words. And you can even put in a second line if you want. You are able to change the font. And there are lots of different fonts that you can play around with in here. There are a lot of fonts that are pro. In order to use these fonts and be able to download, you will have to have a pro account for that. You can also turn the backer off or on, whichever you prefer. Some basic instructions are up at the top. I do put a link to my website down at the bottom. That way, if you need to reach me with any questions. Here is my email, my Facebook, my YouTube channel. There is a link to my free Cuttle template page, as well as my online store. Once you finish customizing your template, I'm going to change this back to a non-pro. And then once you create an account, you'll be able to download that. You'll be able to import it into whatever cutting software you use, whether it be for Glowforge, Xtool, or even a Cricut. And then you will be able to cut this out. You would just need to change your settings. The red lines you want to set to cut, the blue lines to score, and the gray lines to engrave. If you choose to not engrave, you could delete the gray layer and then you'll be able to just cut and score. Again, if you have any questions, just reach me through Facebook or email and I will do my best to help you. I hope you enjoy this template.